today we're making root beer with 2 of my grandsons, right guys?
Yeah!
Yeah, and they came and they're moved in the house with me now, which is so cool, right?
Yeah!
Yeah, and they
It's
have
like
an
the
awesome,
best thing ever.
yeah, awesome grandma. All right, well today I'm gonna come up and show you why they stand there. What root beer we're gonna make. We're making this by Gnome. We'll get a close up. I was told by the guys at my local homebrew shop that they think that this is the best root beer, and we wanted the best, right?
Yeah!
Yeah, so today we're gonna show you how we make root beer, and this is called Gnome root beer. We like gnomes, don't we guys?
Yeah!
So, let's get this going. Happy Homebrew Wednesday. And today is Wednesday, right?
Yeah!
Woohoo! And, oh, one more special thing. Why are we making root beer?
For my birthday.
Which is
his birthday.
on Saturday. So this is way
3
cool.
days.
And a couple of things we need to tell you before we make the root beer. So we've got a keg all ready to go.
Yeah!
And it has sanitizer, so it's all pre-cleaned. But one of the things you need to know is if you are going to keg root beer, you're probably going to have to replace all of your O-rings afterwards, okay? Just so you know that. And if you're going to do it off of a tap, you're probably going to have to replace your tap lines. But we're going to only use a party keg tap on it, so it's not going through my regular line, so I don't have to replace those, and it's easy to replace the line on a party tap. So here we go.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, the first thing that we're doing is we're going to be heating up some water. We've already got a ½ gallon in here. We're going to add another ½ gallon to get a full gallon of water, and we're going to bring it up to about 130 degrees. The only thing we need to do is get it warm enough so that it can dissolve sugar. So we're going to make 5 gallons. So you can put in 5 pounds or 10 cups of sugar, but on the authority of the local homebrew shop, you don't need quite as much sugar, so we're going to put in 4 pounds. All right, we've reached that 130, a little above. We're going to just start slowly adding our sugar, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. My arm is tired.
Yeah, okay, so it's real good. Since we're carbonating using my tanks, and we're not doing yeast, it's a little bit simpler to do. So we're going to go ahead and just cut this. Now Eli's going to start stirring again.
Okay. Ooh, it smells yummy.
Did you hear that? Oh, wow, that really does smell yummy.
I can't smell it from over here. Okay, then
All right,
get closer.
I'm going to get a little more water to rinse out this pouch.
It smells like root beer from over here, but from over here it smells like Coca-Cola.
But it smells pretty yummy, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, but should we do like a funny intro or something like, hey, this is what do.
So we're going to let off the pressure. We had a nice little chirp of noise. I'm going to open this. And I always fill it with sanitizer, and so with some pressure on my kegs, so they're always ready to go and they're always clean and sanitized. I don't have to sanitize them before I use them. So we're going to empty this out, guys. So very carefully tip this forward. Come on, help, get over there and lay it down, but don't drop it. Hold it tight, hold it tight, hold it tight. All right. Whoosh! There it goes.
My feet are soaking, but his feet are gonna get covered in water. Yeah, filled with juice. Careful, grab it. Over. Ooh.
Woo!
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, we've got our funnel.
I'm gonna clean it out with some
We cleaned it.
sanitizer thingy. Okay.
And now we're gonna just sanitize it a little extra, just to make sure it's nice and no germs in it.
And no bugs in it either.
Wrap up like this.
My leg. Look at sanitized.
Yep. You got a clean leg here to this funnel, each on one side, and hold it on each side so that it's not going to tip. Okay, we're going to put our root beer mix in here.
It kind of smells really weird. Oh.
That's enough. That's good right there. All right, rinsing out our pot. Rinsing out our funnel to keep all that flavor. And now we're gonna top it off to 5 gallons. 5 gallons of root beer.
Yeah!
Now
turn off the water.
it's raining, but we gotta get a sample taste. Doesn't have the bubbles yet. We're gonna get a little sample just to see.
Yeah, tastes really good.
Okay, after doing our sample taste test, we all agreed there was not enough sugar. Followed the directions and put in all the sugar required. Hold that right in there, guys, so it doesn't come out of the pot. Look how cool that is. So we're just siphoning a little bit of root beer back into the pot, but we can heat this up and add that back in and get the additional sugar we want, and then get it carbon. All right, so we got the extra sugar in,
Yeah.
and we're gonna pour. Pour.
I think that's my favorite. Oh, Grandpa, it is full.
Very full. That's okay.
It's full. Look how full it is, Grandpa.
All right, you guys can taste out of that right there, because who can resist?
Tell me, with the sugar, it seems pretty good too from out the pan.
So far, it sounds like the extra sugar is getting great approval. Okay, we got a long spoon.
Yeah.
We're gonna spray it off with sanitizer. Just make sure it's not gonna put any bad stuff in there, right?
Yeah. That will.
And then we're gonna allow us to stir it up. Mix in that extra sugar, right?
Yeah.
All right, seems to be winning so far. So although they've been tasting the super sugary version, but here Grandpa will take a little test.
Smells like root beer.
Oh, I think once this gets cold and with bubbles in it, it's gonna be really good.
Once you have one taste of that, you can't stop having that. Oh.
All right, we made the root beer, and now we actually had it for the party the other day, which was a big success, but now we're gonna do a taste test real quick for everyone. So guys, go get your root beer and try it. Tell them what you think. You want some root beer? Yeah? Okay. Go ahead and have some.
Really strong.
It's strong. We decided we wanted extra root beer taste, so we added some after making the video, and he hasn't stopped drinking yet. What do you think of it, Cam?
I did.
All right, now we got something really special to try.
Root beer floats.
We're gonna try a little ice cream and make root beer floats. Give it a try now and see what you think. What do you think, guys?
This is gonna make me fall asleep after. Triple strong.
Triple strong? Yeah, we could actually put some water in this root beer and thin it down and have more. We might do that and carb it up again. But it's pretty yummy. Can I try yours, Gray? That's pretty darn good. So, do we recommend making root beer at home?
Yeah!
All right. Well, that was pretty enthusiastic. We'll catch you all next time. Happy brewing and root beer making.
See you next time. This is the best. Hey, okay, bye. I'm gonna finish this.